Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change that brake light bulb. You also have a turn signal brake light bulb. It's all in one housing here, right? So to remove this housing, we need to open the lift gate here, and there should be two bolts over here, and then on this side it probably has some type of clip right here, but usually people, they pull this and they break this, all right? But in my scenario here, it seems like somebody worked on this car before and this light is out of the way already. But this is a good thing for me to show you guys what kind of mechanism is in there. A lot of people, they slide it out of there. A lot of people try to pull it out of there. So it could be anything. You don't know what's back there. This is a 09 Toyota Sienna. I believe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the same thing. So if you have a similar vehicle, similar solution for you guys. But anyways, let's get to this. And if you need to change either one of these bulbs, it's the same thing. All right, this is a double flare bulb and this might be a single flare bulb. I'll show you the bulb. I'm gonna be replacing the one down here, right? And all we need to do is open this lift gate. All right, once this lift gate is open, right in here you have number 10 millimeter and number 10 millimeter, right? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab a 10 millimeter socket and remove both of these bolts. All right, guys, I got this number 10 with the ratchet here, and I'll put a little extension on it so it doesn't hurt me to turn this little guy. You see that? You see how it works? The extension helps me. All right, so we're gonna go counterclockwise, and I've got one hand. Usually you would hold the ratchet properly, but this bolt seems like it's rusted. It might snap off, but if your bolts do snap off, you would have to tap and retract that bolt from there or drill another hole. It's all up to you how you want it, but I would suggest once you're done, put some kind of lube on this. All right, let's leave this right there. The bottom one feels real smooth. There you go. I'm gonna put a little bit of lube on both of these. All right, WD-40 or greasing would be perfect. All right, anyways, let's continue. All right, so what we're doing here is right in here, right in there, mine came out already. Right in there you see that thing right in there? That's like a little clip. All right, so pretty much this clip goes straight in. If you have this vehicle, it goes straight in. All right, sometimes this won't pop out, then you need some type of long flathead screwdriver, pry bar, even a fork would work. Let me show you guys a fork that I have. By fork, I don't mean by a spoon fork. I'm talking about this clip removing. This thing will go in there and it will assist you to get that little guy out of there, right? But anyway, since mine is loose already, you see that? That's what it looked like. This goes in there. Over time, this gets rusted, and there's two of them, one down there. So they get rusted over time and they will give you trouble to take this out. All right, so this will give you a lot of trouble to take these out. All right, I would try not to put any greasing in here, all right, because that grease dries up and it builds some kind of restriction for the future sake for you to take this off. Anyways, guys, so put my tool away. So the light bulb is that below here, so that's the bottom one. All you do is you grab this and you turn it counterclockwise and you get this little fella out of there. You see how it looks all burnt, blackish? All right, so pretty much this bulb is no good. All right, so all you do is you grab this bulb and you pull it out. Working with one hand, guys, is not the best thing. There you go, I got it out. All right, guys, so I got the new bulb right here. This is the old one. The number on it is 744043. all right, so got another bulb here. This is a double flare, right, guys? So you do not want to put a single flare that will blow the bulb fuse, I mean. So I do not recommend you grab this thing by your hand. All right, so always take a cloth or a piece of tissue. All right, even if you touch it, it's all right. You can always wipe it down. All right, so putting this in, you can put it in any direction, this way or that way. It wouldn't matter, right? Always pay attention to your connector. Sometimes those connectors will burn. If your connector is burnt, change it, guys. But there it goes. The bulb is in. All right. Wipe it down if you need to. But anyways, put that bulb in, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this counterclockwise. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. All right. So the next step is while we're here, let's let this sit right there. I would suggest all the dirt, debris, just take it out while you're in here. Right. Take some lube. I would put it right there. So I'm gonna take some WD-40, spray here and spray there. All right, guys. Got my WD-40 right here. So a little bit of spray right there. Little bit right there. If you wanna put some grease, you can put some grease. It's all right. So now to put this in, you need to put these two guys back in. Very simple. Just align them. Right. As long as you line the light, it should be good. You tap on it and it goes right in. All right, so you can just tap on it gently and you're good. All right, take the number 10 bolt, put it right there. Take the second one. Of course, I would test it before I lock it down, but in my case, I know this should be good. All right, but just press your brake pedal, turn on your headlights. A bulb should light up with the headlights, and it should illuminate really bright once you press the brake. All right guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, and like all of my videos. If you guys have any question, just send me a message. All right, anything, doesn't matter what it is, I'll be glad to help you guys. All right, so bye bye, see you on the next one.